Hi friends, this week we will be talking about the national symbols. And today we will discuss the national bird of Trinidad, which is called the Scarlet Ibis. The Scarlet Ibis is our national bird because it can be seen mostly in Trinidad. It can also be seen in countries like Brazil. However, we have a vast population here in Trinidad, and you can catch an up-close glimpse of these creatures by visiting the Caroni Swamp. The Scarlet Ibis is known for its bright red color, which is one of the national colors. What gives the Scarlet Ibis its beautiful color? Well, a young ibis is a grayish color, and as they eat lots of red crustaceans like crabs found in the mangroves where they live, they change to the beautiful red color and are called scarlet ibises. So these are amazing creatures. Aren't they beautiful? And they are the national bird of Trinidad. Alright friends, thank you for joining me today, and tomorrow we'll discuss so much more about our national symbols. Don't forget to subscribe.